So I've installed the headrail expander piece here using the 1 to 1 1/4 inch screws and the yellow installation bag that came with the kit. Now that we've got this header rail extender installed, we're going to grab the trim piece and install this up in the top as well. This just covers the screw heads and it just snaps on. So you stick the bottom in and then just with your fingers attach it and push it on, and it just, in a perfect world, will snap right into place. You can hear that kind of zipping sound. That covers the screw heads and gives a nice finished look. That's how you install the header screw cover. Now we're going to do both sides installing the screw covers. Don't forget to make sure you don't miss any holes. Put a screw in there if you don't have one.